Alex Murdaugh ineligible to attend mother's funeral under SC prison rules convicted. Murderer and disbarred attorney Alex Murdaugh does not qualify. Attend his late mother's funeral under SC Department of Corrections policy, limiting which inmates can leave prison to Murdaugh's mother, Elizabeth, known as Libby, was receiving hospice care when she died March 19 at her home in Alameda, according to People's Rodin Funeral Home. Libby Murdaugh was a prominent figure in Hampton County before her son became notorious international. A native of Brunson, she was a public school teacher who later served on the Hampton County School Board, according to The Fall of the House of Murdaugh by Hampton journalist Michael DeWitt Jr. She was also married for 60 years to 14th Circuit Solicitor Randolph Murdaugh, the third straight Murdaugh to prosecute crimes in the southern corner of South Carolina, but her name came to international recognition during her middle son Alex's closely watched double murder trial. In the hours after his wife, Maggie, and son Paul were slain at their Colleton estate in June 2021, Alex Murdaugh used her as an alibi. He claimed he'd been visiting his mother, who suffered dementia, when they were shot. In fact, he had visited, but not for as long as he had claimed. At the time his father was in the hospital, he died a few days later. Officers searched Murdaugh's parents' home months after the murders because a caregiver reported seeing Alex Murdaugh stash something there, a blue tarp, she thought. Jurors ultimately did not believe Murdaugh's account, and in March 2023, they found him guilty of murder. Since then, he has also pleaded guilty to scores of financial crimes related to years-long schemes to steal millions from the law firm his family founded, his clients, and others who trusted him. Though the SC Department of Corrections allows some inmates to attend family funerals, Murdaugh's conviction for a violent crime should preclude him from attending his mother's funeral, according to the agency's policy. Rules state that officials will always reject requests from inmates convicted of violent crime. What's more, according to agency policy, requests from inmates who have committed disciplinary violations in the past year will not be approved. Murdaugh, 55, was hit with 2 infractions in August. He was accused of improperly recording an interview for a documentary and using another inmate's PIN to make a phone call, according to the Corrections Department. Murdaugh defense attorney Dick Harpootlian could not immediately be reached for comment.